What's up, guys? Today we got the latrax rally. Decided to go with the oiled field shock upgrade. So you'll get the 4 shocks, the shock oil, and they give you new ball studs to install. So I already did all these. Just grab it like this, pull the spring down, grip the shock body, spin the top off, grab this little rubber piece, put that back in here so we don't forget it. Grab your shock oil, pretty much fill it up to the top. And I'll just work it up and down a few times. Usually the oil level will go down, so we'll have to add more. We'll add some more. Work it up a few more times. Couple little air bubbles there worked out. Grab the shock body again. Screw this back on. It's just plastic, so be careful not to cross thread it. You'll need to tighten it crazy. And yeah, it feels good. I've already installed this ball stud here, so we have to do this one up here. It's a 4mm, and you have to use a deep socket. I just have it on a little extension here to help me thread it. And again, this is just going into plastic, so I'm not going to use the wrench on this. I'm just going to get it tight with this extension and the socket. You don't want to over tighten it and strip it. Okay, that's good. Let's try to pop this on here. I should have took the tires and the body mounts off for easier access, but okay, pop the bottom one on with some effort. Alright, maybe I'll use some needle nose here. There you go. Maybe wrap your needle nose in some tape so you don't mess up the plastic like I just did. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of these on. Pretty sure you get the gist of it. And, got a couple other goodies too. We got some Pro-Line hole shots for my daughter's Losi Mini Tee. We got her a new body so she can paint it whatever color she wants. And then for my Losi Mini T, brand new in the box, I haven't even used it yet, we got this Dynamite brushless. This is pretty much plug and play. So we'll install this on a future video here. And I'm gonna put these on and then see how this thing rides. All right.